Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oat-powered products on this ATM-320C vertical packing machine. Here is our touch screen. Let's start the machine to show you how it works. Okay, let's check the finished bag. So, you have any customized packing solution, just find us at the website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. See you.